Hi, this is Amy from Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet mug rug with an H hook medium worsted yarn. It measures 4 by 6 inches. This is great for mugs, great for gifts, and the pattern is down below. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so let's get started. I did a chain count of 18 and just slip knot onto your hook. Yarn over and pull through. I'm going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then single crochet in each chain across. I'm going to add a new color. However, you can just use one color if you like. If you add one color, just pull it through your loop, and you will have strands of yarn on the sides every time you change colors, and you'll have to weave it in at the end, so it's more work, but it does look nice with a color change. So chain 1, half double crochet in the first stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Then slip stitch, insert your hook, grab the yarn, and then pull through your loop, and then half double crochet, and then slip stitch. And that is the stitch is half, and then slip stitch, half, and slip stitch until you get to the end, and you should end with a half double crochet. It looks like this, and then end with a half double crochet. And then I'm going to color change again, pulling through my white yarn, and then just chain 1, and then single crochet in each stitch across. Make sure you keep track of your stitches so you have the right amount of stitches across. So single crochet in each stitch until you get to the end. And then this is the pattern across, is that last row and this row until you have your desired amount of rows that you prefer for the length of your mug rug. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It really brings out that type of stitch when you do contrasting colors. Pull your brown color through again, and then chain 1, and then repeat that stitch again. This is all repeat, so half double crochet and then slip stitch in the next stitch until you get to the end. And I did about 22 rows at the end to match the opposite side foundation chain. You could do 2 rows of white single crochet to finish. Okay, and then you're just going to do the white again and just do a single crochet with a chain 1. Now at the very end, when you have completed your entire amount of rows that you prefer, then you're going to weave in your ends with your yarn needle, and you're going to have many different strands of yarn on the end if you do contrasting colors. Okay, it's going to look like this, but I'm going to show you how to add your ends to make it look like a mug rug. You're going to take 3 strands of yarn, about 6 to 7 inches or so, and you're going to place them in the stitches and skip 1 stitch, and then you're going to place them in there and create a loop and pull it through. And then you'll cut these at the end as short as you'd like. So just pull it through. Once you have a loop, you can insert your fingers and then pull the remaining yarn through. And then after that, I did skip a stitch and I did it again across. If it gets too bunched up, then it's too bulky on the ends. Okay, so I did cut the ends and left about an inch of yarn, and you can cut it as short as you would like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and the pattern is down below, and there are two different designs on each side. This is the front side. It looks really nice with that half double crochet and slip stitch, and then on the other side is a little bit of a different design. These make really great gifts, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.